focus of this case study is on sugar. Sugar is made from two main plants, sugar cane and sugar beet, which can be grown at small scale by individual farmers and at large scale on vast plantations. Sugar cane is mainly grown in the Caribbean and areas of Central America and Africa. Many sugarcane producing countries depend on sugar as a large source of national income, yet many sugar workers in these countries remain in poverty. Schemes like Fair Trade have been set up to try and protect producers like these small-scale sugarcane farmers, so they are able to make a stable livelihood. Sugar beet, on the other hand, is mainly grown in Europe and North America. The UK is a major importer of cane sugar and a producer of sugar beet. Sugar cane is also a very thirsty crop, using lots of water to grow. We need to find ways to use less water and use it more effectively to make sure we don't risk water shortages in the future. There are 6 teaspoons of sugar in a can of sugary soft drink, and 7 teaspoons of sugar in a 100-gram bowl of cereal. The UK public are consuming more sugar each year, as 1 in 5 breakfast cereals now contain more sugar than they did 3 years ago, and some are now 18% sweeter. The UK consumes around 2.25 million tonnes of sugar each year, 75% of which is sold direct to the food industry. Since 1990, consumption of sugar in Britain has increased by a third. There are health concerns about the overconsumption of sugar across all ages. These include an increased risk of tooth decay, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. The existing guidelines in the UK suggest that people should get no more than 10% of their calories from sugar, with some agencies even suggesting this should be reduced to 5%. However, in England, on average, adults get around 12% of their daily energy from sugar, and for adolescents the figure rises to more than 15%. Recently, doctors in Britain have called for a sugar tax on sugar-sweetened drinks. This would be used to pay for subsidies which would make some fruits and vegetables cheaper. In some other countries, such as Mexico, they have already experimented with sugar taxes, and appear to show some reduction in the consumption of sugary drinks. So, how can we reduce our sugar consumption for our health, whilst protecting the livelihoods of millions of sugar farmers and protecting the environment?